From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the dollar yen. You can see we've had an initial dip on Thursday, only to turn around and show signs of strength again as that ADP number came out hotter than anticipated. It'll be interesting to see how the jobs number affects this market on Friday, because it could give us a bit of a heads up as to where we are going next. If we can break the 200-day EMA, or essentially 135, then I think you can really start to look at this as a pullback that can be bought into. On the other hand, if we turn around and start falling, 130 probably offers support. That 130 level extends down to the 128 level, and 128 being broken opens up the floodgates. This is all about the Bank of Japan and their determination to keep rates under 50 basis points. So far they have. But if the market really starts to pressure the bond market, then the BOJ is going to have to print more yen. And that's essentially what this had been all about all along.